Hello and welcome to the Art of Quarantine. My name is Doug Weaver. I'm an artist and art instructor, and like you, I'm stuck at home for a while. So I'm making a video series with the goal of teaching you how to draw. This is a video series for people who have never drawn before. If you can't make anything more than a stick figure, that's good enough. They're not going to be very long, they're not going to be very complicated. It's just something for you to try now that you have some extra time on your hands. These videos will be appropriate for children as well as adults, and we'll be using materials that you hopefully have around your house. You'll at least need a number 2 pencil, because that's probably what you have, and something to draw on. A sketchbook if you have it. Printer paper will work fine. If you have line paper and graph paper and that's all you have, we'll make it work. I really look forward to seeing what you draw. If you do draw anything and you like it and you want to post it on social media, use the hashtag #TheArtOfQuarantine and feel free to tag me because I'd love to see what you do. You can tag me at Doug Weaver Art on pretty much any platform. And if you have any suggestions of things that you'd like to learn how to draw or things you'd like to learn how to do, feel free to send me an email at dougweaverart@gmail.com, or you can just message me on whatever social media you use. I look forward to making some art together, and hopefully this turns into something great.